Hi, this is Mary with the Great Outdoors University. I have another experiment for you to do today. For this experiment, all you will need are some clear plastic baggies, potentially sandwich bags or maybe the bag that your newspaper came in, and some rubber bands or twist ties. What you're going to do is you're going to step outside and you're going to look for some leaves that you're going to put the baggie around, maybe some a little larger and some a little smaller. You can see I've put one baggie around this leaf, and I tighten the baggie around the stem with the rubber band. And you may be able to see, I only did this a few minutes ago, but it's getting foggy inside that bag. They're sort of moist in there. You're going to observe this bag over the next hour or maybe 4 hours and see what changes you observe. You might try it on different leaves. Do it on some larger leaves and some smaller leaves, some thicker leaves and some thinner leaves, and compare your results. Have fun doing this as you experiment with transpiration, which is a process where the plants have little stomata or pores that open when they absorb some carbon dioxide, and they release it during that process some water or moisture. That's very important to cool the plant, but also for our water cycle. So have fun and then read a little bit about transpiration online. Have a great day.